So here's RIZZ AI Dating Assistant. So this is the app. I just started a free trial to show you guys is it worth for you to upgrade or not. This app is quite expensive, as you have seen. So it costs like $7 per week, so not per month, per week. So more than like $30 per month. But it has like 3-day free trial. So you can try it out like for 3 days, or maybe even like for 2 days you can try it out, because then you will be charged if you use it like for 3 days and then cancel. That's like iTunes policy. But anyhow, this is like a game, not like the app where if you are on Tinder or some other dating app like Hinge, Bumble, whatever, and you just a bit struggle with the chat. You don't know any pickup lines. You don't know what to reply or what to, how the conversation is going. So you can use some help with AI bot, where in this app, literally, you can just upload the screenshot of your conversation on Tinder, and then this bot can just suggest you a few replies. And then it can suggest you replies in different tones. You can get some spicy replies, some like roast replies, and all of that. Of course, this is far from perfect yet, and some of the generated responses can look quite dumb and silly, but at least it can give you some idea, and then you can just edit it out. So yeah, here you can just open it up. And then, so how it works, basically, you can either upload a screenshot of your conversation, you can enter text manually, or get pickup lines. So if you enter text manually, that's like, you can just enter the name, for example, to the person you are chatting. And then, for example, you just write their reply, and then you just write your reply. And then you can generate some RIZZ reply. And then you can just generate another. So yeah, and this is kind of stuff you will get. So it's not great, it's not that bad, like so yeah, that's the idea. And then here you can also get this kind of replies. You can get roast replies, so just what you want, and then you can just easily copy this out. The other thing is like you can also just get pickup lines, and then you can just infinitely generate those like that. And the cool feature is that you can just upload a screenshot. So let's just see as an example. And then you can just do it like that. So for example, you can see, like, just as an example of Tinder conversation, literally you can just take a Tinder screenshot, or like Bumble, whatever, and it's just so yeah, that's what you can get. So that's basically the idea of the app, how it works. So yeah, definitely give it a try. So here you can just have that, and then it just says earn cash. So also feel free to use my link. So here is my link. Feel free to use my code, and then you will earn and then, okay, so maybe I don't know if you will get something, but I will get like 25 euros and $5 cash when they upgrade. So then yeah, you can just see that. So you can actually also earn some money with RIZZ app. So feel free to use my code. And then the cool thing is that it doesn't only work in English, it works in these languages. So a lot of major languages here, as you can see. So it's pretty cool, so that's where it is. Then there is also a survey, which you can also try. You can also email to, for any reasons. Just reach out to their support. So this is the app. That's how you get it. You can browse their social media for some guidance. But yeah, so that's the app. There are a bunch of other apps. I would really recommend you to use this one. This is the top one, because there are like literally 50 other RIZZ apps. but this is the app built by Trendit LLC, so that's the top one. And then there are a bunch of others. There is like Plug AI Texting Assistant. This is basically the same apps. They're just copy pasting each other. But and then I also tried this one, RIZZ Plug. So you can also give it a try. So yes, this is just for you to know, is it worth upgrading or not. I need to say, yeah, it's pretty expensive though. I don't know why. I think it's definitely overpriced because it can be like more expensive literally than Tinder Gold or like some other stuff like that. Maybe actually Tinder will literally add this functionality inside itself at some point. I'm just speculating here, but yeah, paying additional $30 per month like for this kind of app, yeah, it's becoming not that great because yeah, you can just upgrade to GPT Plus or official ChatGPT app premium subscription and then just train your bot that you want it to be a dating assistant, so you can at least do that. So yeah, just that's what it is basically. Works with iPhone, iPod Touch, and also they have a Mac app. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Of course, this app got a lot of press on Time Magazine, Mashable, all of this, Wall Street Journal, all of these things. But yeah, just again, like there are like so many copy paste apps, but this one seems it's the best quality. I'm just looking at it in the Danish app store, that's why it has so few ratings, but overall it has quite a lot of ratings. This app from this Trendit LLC seems has the most reviews and the most ratings, so I would recommend this RIZZ app for to select for you from others. So that's that. So feel free to comment any tips or how to use this app, or is this like complete waste of money for you? Would you recommend upgrading or not? So yeah, feel free to do that. And again, like if you feel free to use my invitation code. So this is my link here, which you can just use here, just right there. And then if I just select, you can just give a try to sign up with this link and I will earn some cash. And yeah, so yeah, that's basically what it is. Hope it is helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.